Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of 12th Maths First. In the last video, we had taken revision of topic number first, mathematical logic. Are you completed the examples I had given in the video? I am sure that you had completed your homework, and also I had told you write the similar example, solve the similar example of logic given in that video. Okay, you can solve yourself. Now today we will take revision of topic second, matrices. It is a topic with option mark 6. It is also simple topic. You can get full marks of this topic. I take all types of question maximum. I will cover all types of question in this video. So let's start with first example. If A is the given matrix and X is the matrix of order 2 by 2 such that X is equal to I, then we have to find X. In the matrix we take row transformation, column transformation are there, then adjoint method, finding inverse by adjoint method, and also method of reduction. All these four concepts you had cleared up, then you can solve the problem. See here, given that what is given? Given that Ax is equal to I. Write the matrix A. A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. X as it is. I, identity matrix. You take here order of this matrix A and X is 2 by 2. So here you take identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. Now we want X, means we make this matrix as identity matrix. So I into X is X. We get the matrix X. So we convert this into identity matrix. For identity matrix, first column, first element is 1. It is already there. Now we make this element as 0. This is already there. We make this 0. So how make 0? This is in the row R2. We make R2 changes to R2 minus. R2 मध्ये काय फरक करायचा बघा, 3 minus 3 व्हायला पाहिजे. मग ह्याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केले की होईल का? म्हणजे R2 चा एलिमेंट कोणता आहे? 3 minus 3 व्हायला पाहिजे. मग ह्याला किती मल्टिप्लाय करायला पाहिजे? R1 ला आपल्याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं पाहिजे. ओके, बघा लक्षात घ्या, 3 minus 3 करायचं. मग ह्याला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं आपण. ठीक आहे? So what happens? See, there is change in this matrix and also in the identity matrix. R1, there is no change in R1. So write R1 element as it is. R2 changes to 3 minus 3. R1, 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 3 2s are 6. Means 4 minus 6 minus 2. Okay. Here 0 minus 0, R2 means 0, minus 3 R1, minus 3 means minus 3. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Here I do the rough calculation here. This is 1, this is 0. Now we want to make this 1. We want to make this 1. For making 1 we multiply. So by here R2 changes to R2 ला किती multiply केले पाहिजे बघा, minus 1 upon 2 ना multiply केले की 1 होईल का? Okay. So you multiply here. There is no change in R1. So put R1 elements in the row R1 as it is. There is change in R2. R2 मध्ये काय चेंज करायचं आहे? R2 ला minus half ने multiply करायचं आहे 0. R2 ला minus half ने multiply केलं काय येईल? minus half into minus 2. Minus minus plus, it becomes 1. Minus 3 ला minus half ने multiply केलं काय येईल? minus minus plus means 3 upon 2. 1 ला minus half ने multiply केलं काय येईल? minus 1 upon 2. Okay, this is the rough calculation. This 1 0 1. Now we want this to become 0. So we take, how we take? By R1 changes to R1 मध्ये 0 पाहिजे, म्हणजे R2 minus 2 करायचं आहे. 2 म्हणजे काय? R1 एलिमेंट आहे. minus 2 केलं तर होईल बघा 2 minus 2 0 होईल 2 minus 2 म्हणजे ह्या 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायला पुन्हा R2 ला आणि सबट्रॅक्ट करायला सो becomes x as it is. There is change in R1, so write R2 as it is 0 1 and here 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 as it is. What is the change in R1? R1 minus 2 R2. 1 minus 0 becomes 1. Here 2 minus 2 becomes 0. And in the RHS 1 minus 2 into R2 is 3 upon 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then 0 minus 2 into minus 1 upon 2. 2 get cancelled. Minus minus plus. Then becomes 1. Minus 2 1 3 upon 2 minus half. Okay. This is the rough calculation. Now it is converted into identity matrix. So you write I into x is equal to minus 2 1 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Identity matrix into x is the matrix x. So we get x as minus 1 2 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. This is the final answer. Okay, understand? See second question. Find the inverse of the matrix A by using elementary row transformation. Here we want row transformation. For this, first we find determinant A 0 2 0 5 1 0 0 1 3. You know how to find determinant 2 into bracket 3 minus 0 minus 0 into bracket 15 minus 0 minus 1 into bracket 5 minus 0 3 to the 6 here 0 minus 5. Therefore value of determinant A is 1. Determinant A is 1 which is not equal to 0. Here value of determinant is 1 not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Okay. We have. So we can write A into A inverse is equal to R. What is the matrix A? Right? 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3 into A inverse is equal to I write identity matrix of 3 by 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we make this matrix as identity matrix. We convert this matrix into identity matrix. For this we make first element as 1 then these two 0. For making this R1 changes to what is the change in R1? 6 R1 minus R2. बघा 3 दुनी 6 सॉरी 3 R1 3 दुनी 6 वजा 5 एक येते का म्हणजे ह्या किती मल्टिप्लाय करायचं 3 ना आणि R2 मधून सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं. So what happens? See there is change in R1. So remaining two columns as it is 5 0 1 1 0 3 right as it is into A inverse is equal to here 0 1 0 0 0 1 as it is because there is change in R1. What is the change in R1? R1 ला किती मल्टिप्लाय करायचं by 3 ना 3 to the 6 minus 5 1 3 to 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 3 1 3 minus 0 means here minus 3. Okay, ह्याला 3 ला मल्टिप्लाय करा 3 1 3 minus 0 3 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 0 0. Okay, first element we make 1. Now we want this 0. So by R2 changes to R2 minus 5 minus 5 करायचं आहे. मग R1 ला किती मल्टिप्लाय करायला लागेल 5 ना. So there is change in there is only change in R2. So remaining right as it is 3 minus 1 0 0 0 1. R2 मध्ये काय करायचं बघा R2 minus 5 आहे 5 minus 5 0. R2 म्हणजे 1 1 आणि ह्याला किती मल्टिप्लाय करायचं -5. बघा काय होईल R2 म्हणजे काय आहे 1 -5 into -5 minus minus plus 5 plus 1 6 0 minus 5 5 3s are 15 means here 15 here 0 minus 15 minus 15 1 minus plus 1 minus 5 into minus 1 means here 6 and here 0. Okay, by R2 changes to R2 minus 5 R3. Okay, so what happens? 1 minus 1 minus 3 as it is. A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 0 0 1 3 as it is 0 0 1. R2 में क्या चेंज करायचं आहे? R2 plus 5 R3 0 6 minus 5 1 15 minus 15 0 minus 15 as it is 6 as it is 0 minus 5 minus 5. Now we want these two 0. So here by we want C R1 मध्ये काय बनवणार आहे? R1 plus R2 करायचं आहे आणि R3 minus R2 करायचं आहे. R1 आणि R3 मध्ये चेंज करायचं आहे. R1 आणि R3 R2 कशी घ्या? minus 15 6 आणि minus 1. R1 plus R2 करा 1 plus 0 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 0 3 plus 0 3 minus 1 1 R3 minus R2 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 1 0 3 minus 0 0 0 minus 15 it becomes plus 15 minus 6 1 minus minus 5 means 1 plus 5 6. Okay, sorry here R3 minus R2 here also 3. Okay, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 ह्याला 1 करायचं आहे म्हणजे R3 मध्ये काय चेंज होणार आहे 1/3 R3 1 0 minus 3 0 1 0 1/3 केला 0 0 1 into A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 1 as it is minus 15 6 minus 5 as it is. ह्याला 3 ने डिवाइड केलं की 3 5 15 3 गुणी 6 आणि लास्ट काय झालं ह्याला 0 करायचं आहे. लास्ट काय येईल बघा बाय R1 plus 3R3 R1 plus 3R3 केलं काय येईल बघा लास्ट एक लावून आणलं आहे आता R1 plus 3R3 केलं त्यामुळे काय चेंज नाही काय मिळालं ना 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 मिळालं into A inverse is equal to इकडे काय मिळेल बघा R1 मध्ये चेंज करायचं आहे R2 नको minus 15 as it is 5 6 minus 2 as it is minus 5 2 as it is. R1 plus 3 R1 3 plus 3 5 3 15 आणि 3 18 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 1 plus 3 to the 6 7. So our final answer is या स्टेपला पाहिजे चुकलेला आपल्याला R1 plus R2 बरोबर नाही होतं -12 5 आणि -5 -12 5 आणि -5. So here becomes matrix as first column -12 plus 15 means 3 5 minus 3 to the 6 means -1 -5 to 15 is 1 3 minus 1 1. Okay, right, this is the final answer. So we get A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 5 6 minus 2 minus 5. Okay, in this way we can make a row transformation. Next example is of adjoint method. Here the given matrix is of order 2 by 2. We have to find inverse of this matrix by adjoint method. What is the adjoint method? For adjoint method, we know the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A. This is the formula. So we first find determinant A and adjoint of A. First we find determinant A We suppose this as A matrix. You find determinant by cross multiplying. -2, middle sign -15. That is -2 plus 15. Therefore, we get value of determinant A as 30. First, you find determinant A 30, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Okay. Now we find adjoint of A. For that, we find the cofactor and minor. So we first find minor. M11. Minor of first element is, we neglect that one column, is 2. M12. Here A inverse exists. Then you find M11. Minor of first element, you neglect this one column, you get 2. Minor of first element, second column is -3. Second row, first column element, minor is 5. And here -1. So we get here 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. -1 into -3, 3. -1 into 5, that is equal to -5. And 1 into -1, that is equal to -1. So we get cofactor matrix A11, A12, A21 and A22. We write A11 element as 2, 3, -5 and -1. How to write adjoint of A? Adjoint of A write by transpose of the given matrix. त्या मॅट्रिक्सचा ट्रान्सपोज द्यायचा. जो कॉलम आहे तो लिहायचा 2, -5, 3, -1. Now you know the formula A inverse is equal to A upon determinant A, 1 upon 30 into adjoint of A, 2, -5, 3, -1. जर त्या 8 बाजू असल्या तर वाढ इतर आहे तसंच किंवा. This is our final answer. Okay. Now last example we will see about inverse method or method of inversion. Solve the following equation by inverse method or method of inversion. First we write the given equation. The given equation can be written in the form. Given equation can be written in the form. What is the form of Ax is equal to B. What is A is here? X means X, Y and Z. B means constant term -1, 2 and 3. And what is the A? A means coefficient. First column is X, Y and Z. Means here one coefficient of, here X is absent, so you write 0, 1, 1 and lastly 1, 1, -1. Okay. Now we know that A into A inverse is equal to I. We know that A into A inverse is equal to I, or AB is equal to X is here. Okay. Here, sorry, I write here AB is equal to Ax is equal to B. Here we pre-multiply by A inverse. So what happens? A inverse into B. A inverse into A is I into X is equal to A inverse into B. That is X is equal to A inverse B. You call this equation over first. So how we solve the equation? So we have to find the value of X by Z. We want X by A inverse into B. We know the matrix B, but we don't know the matrix A. For this we first find A inverse. For this we find determinant A. You find determinant A 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, -1. You find this 1 into bracket -1, -1, -1 into bracket 0, -1 plus 1 into bracket 0, -1. That is 1 into -2, -1 into -1 plus 1 into -1. -2, -2, -1. So we get here value of determinant. Value of determinant is here minus plus 1. Value of determinant is here -2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that A inverse exists. A inverse exists. So you write A into A inverse is equal to R. What is the A matrix? You write A matrix 1 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 1 minus 1 into A inverse is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we convert this into identity matrix. Here 1 is there, 0 is there. We want this 0. So by R3 minus R1. 1 1 1 as it is, 0 1 1 as it is, A inverse is equal to 1 0 0 as it is, 0 1 0 as it is. R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 1 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay, first step this becomes as it is. Next, minus 1 minus 2, here is minus 2. 1 0 0 वाला हा 1 आहे. आता हा 0 करायचा, हा 0 आहे, हा 0 करायचा. So by R1 minus R2. R1 ने R2 सबट्रैक्ट करूया बघा. हा आहे 0 0 1 0 1 minus 2 into A inverse is equal to 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1. R1 minus R2 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0. बघा 1 0 0 ला 0 1 0 ला. आता काय करायचं इथं आपल्याला 1 करायचं आहे. इथं काय करायचं आपल्याला 1 करायचं आहे. काय करूया बाय -1/2 R3. ह्याला किती मल्टिप्लाय करूया -1/2. म्हणजे काय करूया बघा 1 0 0 0 1 1 आयस घेऊया. A इन्व्हर्स 1 minus 1 0 0 1 0. R3 ला -1/2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं काय येईल 1. माइनस माइनस प्लस होईल 1/2 0 1/2. 1 0 0 ला 0 1 0 ला 1 हा 0 करायचा आहे. म्हणजे काय करायला लागेल बाय R2 minus R3. लास्ट स्टेप करूया. So what it becomes 1 0 0 R2 minus R3 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 1 0 0 0 1 into A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 0 as it is, 0 minus half 1 0 minus half half 0 half. I into A inverse. This becomes I into A inverse is equal to this matrix as it is. So we get A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 0. We get the matrix A inverse as 1 minus 1 0 minus 1/2 1 and minus 1/2 1/2 0 1/2. We get the A inverse. Okay. Now we want from equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, what happens equation 1? X is equal to A inverse 1 minus 1 0 minus 1/2 0 minus 1/2 1/2 0 1/2 into what is the matrix B minus 1 2 3. Now we multiply these two elements. See how to multiply. X is equal to, this is of order 3/3 and this is of 3/1. So final answer, final matrix is of order 3/1. Okay. There are 3 columns and 1 row. You multiply this 1 into -1 plus -2 plus 0. Then second minus plus half plus 0. And here minus 3/2. Here minus half plus 0 plus 3/2. Therefore we get matrix X as -2 minus 1 minus 3. First element minus 3. Then here minus 3 plus 2 means minus 2/2. Here 2/2. That is we get last matrix X as -3 minus 1 and 1. Hence we get the values of X, Y, Z as, therefore x is equal to -3, y is equal to -1 and z is equal to 1. These are the required values. Okay, so this is called the method of inversion. For this you multiply by A inverse, you get x is equal to A inverse into b, and find A inverse in your regular method, and you can find the value of x, y, z. So student, here we completed topic number 2, matrix. Write all questions in this video. Try to first understand and then write yourself in your notebook. Also try to solve examples similar to this in your notebook. Okay, today we will stop here. See you in the next video. Thank you.